Right, hi, my name is Mike Head. I'm from Atlas Ceramics. I'm here today to talk about the FGT reinforcing membrane, which is the latest generation supporting your floor. It actually strengthens the floor to prevent bounces if you've got a bit of movement in the floor, and also help anti-fracture. So any movement within the tile can actually help prevent it from cracking, which is absolutely brilliant. So we're here in a room today to demonstrate how to lay it and how to do it. It is made of fiberglass. You've got fiberglass going through, which is yellow strands, and then you've got a fiberglass mesh at the back of it, or fleece, which enables it to bond to the actual adhesive. How to fit it? You basically put your we've primed the floor so it's all ready to go. It's got some underfloor heating here. I've put some adhesive down, which is the Weber SPF. You can either use the SPF slow set or the rapid set, whichever you want. We've used the SPF slow set. I've troweled it on the floor, primed it of course before, like I said, with a PR 360, which is diluted 3:1. Most importantly, to use gloves because you're using the fiberglass. How it strengthens the floor, they say that it is got 5,000 newtons of strength in it. And that's created by the adhesive, bonding it to the floor like that, then adhesive on top, and then the tile. And that's what makes them build to strength. So it's incredibly versatile. If you'd like to know more information about it, please visit our website at atlasceramics.co.uk under the FGT reinforcing membrane. Okay, so what we're going to do is just lay a little bit out to give you a demonstration of how easy it is to put down. One of the greatest things about this is that lots of times people have height restrictions in their floor, so they are concerned with the height coming up to different exit thresholds. This membrane is only 1.5 mil, so only 1.5 mil thick. You're allowed to do a minimum of 2 mil adhesive, so a total of 3.5 mil. So that's absolutely fantastic. So if you have perhaps a crack in the floor or something like that, that you don't want to build the height up and you're concerned about it, this is an excellent way of overcoming that particular issue that you may have. Okay, as I said, I've troweled and prepared the floor already. So what I'm going to do now is just tap this in. I've got a grout float here just to get it in nice and tight. Okay, and then I'm going to follow the wall along. And you can see how easy it is to actually do. And then of course when you come to the end, all you've got to do is just cut it off, and then we'll start again. The reason why we've laid this board or laid the matting this way is because the substrate that we put down is no more ply 22 mil tongue and groove cement board, and we've laid it that way. So by going over this way, we're actually crossing over to make the floor even stronger. Okay, so that's actually how we actually lay it. Very simple, very easy. The benefits are the height, only 1.5 mil. It reinforces the floor, anti-fracture, it covers everything. It's absolutely brilliant. Coming nearly to the end of putting the FGT tape down, or reinforcement membrane, and one of the tips is that you can see through the translucent part of the fiberglass meshing at the back, and you can see the trowel marks from the adhesive where I applied it on, using a 3 mil trowel, so leaving a 1.5 mil bed of adhesive. So to make sure that the fleece is actually binded to the adhesive, I think it's important to make sure that you use either a grout float, that you can then push the fleece into the adhesive, and so dissipating the actual ridges of adhesive. You can also use a roller. There are some rollers, heavy rollers, if you're doing a larger area, that you can go over with, so you can always use that as well. I think that's about it. I've just got to finish off this little bit here. You can also see we have started tiling already to give you an example of what it looks like and how it's making a difference. Personally, I've worked in this room right from the beginning. It's surprising if I stand on the area that hasn't been had the reinforcement membrane put on to the part that has it set, it has made a huge difference. And especially when you start to tile it as well with a full bed of adhesive, that's going to make it even stronger. So longevity wise, this floor is going to be here for many years and also supporting the underfloor heating. So if you have any further questions with regards to the FGT reinforcement membrane, then please do not hesitate to contact us. All the details to how to purchase it are on our website, so please visit that or give us a call. Till the next time, thank you very much indeed for watching.